Annyeonghaseyo, Eugene. Thank you for the watermelon. Kamsahamnida.
Attention!
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, sit down. Very good. So now let's talk about good habits. Okay, what is good habits? Give me one example. Start with, okay. Go, Darrell.
Greet your parents in the morning.
Okay, example.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, pa.
Very good. Another, kasi mga example. Jaya. Okay.
Keep your toys after playing.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Next. Okay, Nikki.
Speak politely and do not shout others.
Okay, very good. Give me examples of polite words.
Excuse me.
Okay, very good. Next, Jumong.
Finish your homework before playing.
Okay, very good. Next, Gwyneth.
Wash your hands before playing. I nails.
Okay, very good. Okay, class. Alright, so on this game, you will write, okay ha, a words that starts with A or B or C ha. Ang makauna, kay makadaog. Ang makauna, mao'y winner. Kung kinsa tay first nga makomplete ang words from A to Z, mao'y winner. Okay, are you ready? Papagani? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Start!
Asper!
Okay. Oops. Sige. Okay, nanay, bagong twist. You only have 1 minute to complete the to complete the task. You only have sige, tagag chance. You only have 2 minutes to complete. Okay. Kasi magkauna ninyo.
Handog hari. Dahil mo tagwarta.
Okay. Wrong spelling is wrong, ha?
Oy! Oh! Ito na. Ito na siya? Ay, VDI. Ambi mo na. Pastil.
Quiet, quiet.
Niki.
Kasi makauna. Okay.
Niki. Sani kita ni pangalan gini niyo.
Okay. Ay, ikuan. Oy, tarungan na ninyo.
Pini. Ay, Maro! Ay, pananaw!
Okay, ayun ko na. Ang unang ni Kuan si Jumong. Okay.
Pananaw, guys! Uy, tulong mo yun, uwi!
Okay, humana sila Jumong. Oy, Jumong ang saman to. Okay.
Cheer, wala sabay, cheer!
Sige, pagdali.
Cheer, wala sabay!
Wag gani. Osa, wala na Jumong. Wala na usabay.
Gitar mo!
Gitarong na di ay. Okay.
Bili! Ngayon, noon! Quiz, kapareho! Kapareho, ang tali ki!
Okay, representative. So, kinsa group 1?
Oh!
Okay, representative from group 1, si Daryl. Okay, kinsa group 2? Okay. Paunahay ni ha, kung kinsa makauna. I want to pagani. I want you to write all the letters in the alphabet from A to Z. Start now! Ah, kasi makaon na. Hala. Hala, patay. O, sige. Okay. Ang naka... Okay, let's check. Okay, ate, i-check. Okay, i-check ko na. Okay, basahan ko na mo ha.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, very good. Ikaw ko no.
Oh, wrong! Wrong! M, M.
Sakto sa... Okay, very good.
Haseyo. Happy Mother's Day, ma. Ma, salamat sa pag-atimana mo, ma. Kay kabalo ko na wala kay trabaho. Giatiman gihapon nini mo, ma. Happy Mother's Day, ma. Ma, I love you, ma.
Thank you very much.
Kamsahamnida.